Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 84,657, and we have gone and hit the $85,000 target that we had, and finally that does bring a bit of comfort in the market because it builds a bit of confidence. Last time when we looked at it, it was becoming worrisome because 81,500 was our mini support area, and we had closed one candle below it, this red candle that closed below it. I told you that we should at least close the second candle above it to have our hopes high again for $85,000, and that is exactly what happened. We went up towards $85,000 and we hit that. Now, that being said, we still need to live above $85,000 with two daily closing candles, which means two bodies of the candles should close above $85,000. After that, we will have confidence in the market, and that will be a way more clear indication that the market has started its upward journey. If Bitcoin is not doing that, then it will make our life difficult because it is going to be tricky. We will be at the mercy of this mini support at 81,500 that is saving us from $74,000. And I think living like that in that kind of questionable environment does make everything difficult. But all in all, I'm expecting the month of March to close green, which means that as long as we are closing above $84,000, it is green. Now, how green it will be is going to be the argument that people should. In the end, I will have a pretty much good escape with the argument. Even if it closes at 85,100, I can bring back the chart and show you that look, month of March closed green with 1% plus. So I'll say bias, but the thing is, in all honesty, what we are aiming for is a higher target. I'm actually aiming for $100,000. So that is still there. We are still not on 15th of March, and the market is still, it has already recovered pretty well. In my eyes, I think the market is recovering from the overall disaster that we have seen, and considering how the market behaves on Friday and Saturday, which is the green days, I think we have an opportunity to go above $85,000 and start living above it. And then on red Mondays and red Sundays, then it can come back and retrace. But as long as after conquering the $85,000, we don't close two daily candles below 85, which it did before, and we are still dealing with it. We haven't seen any closing above $85,000. If it goes and conquers 85, then we would pray that it doesn't close below 85 again. Then we can pretty much rely that upward journey from there will start. And once it hit 100K, then I will see that is that the time to run away from the market, because I'm expecting financial crisis in 2025 anyway. March is just the last hope to find an exit. Is the hope for people who didn't sell in November and December and January. Those 3 months they rather bought. This will be an exit for those kind of people if they cannot afford to stay in it, because that in the financial crisis, the question will be that how bad it will be. Will it be a recession, we go to $50,000, or it will be a full-fledged financial crisis like 2020 or 2008 or 2001 or 1970, whichever years are your favorite, you pick that. If it's that kind of crisis, then we are talking about a $32,000 Bitcoin. Of course, that's going to be disastrous, but all that in the future, not here. Over here, the only thing that we care about is that it conquers 85. Once it does, then we go to 100K, and then I'll let you know what the hell to do from there. Other than that, I don't see anything bad in the market. I'm still positive. I'm still leaning towards the greener side instead of the red side. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.